guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I made this crispy looking egg rolls, please stay tuned as we go through it step by step in this video. And of course, we'll be using some eggs. I'm using 6 boiled hard eggs in this recipe, so I'll be boiling them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then the next is to transfer this boiled egg into a bowl, and then I add some cold water and allow it to set for about 10 minutes. This will help me to be able to peel off the eggshells easily. But while you're peeling the eggshells, if you still find it difficult, we can just crack the eggshells, put it back in the bowl, add some more cold water and give it some more 5 to 10 minutes. Then with that, it will be easy for you to peel off the eggshells. And then the next is for us to rinse it. It's important we rinse the egg because it won't be nice while we're eating our egg rolls and we're just biting some shells in between. Nah, it's not gonna be nice. So we try to wash it properly. And then we try to dry the excess water with some paper towels. Now I'm preparing my dough. So I'm using 1 medium-sized egg, some milk, which I'll whisk together, and then set this aside. And now this is using all-purpose flour, some baking powder, sugar, table salt, nutmeg, and you can use cinnamon powder to replace the nutmeg depending on what you prefer. Then I'll add my unsalted butter at room temperature. You can also use margarine or you can use salted butter. But if you are using margarine or salted butter, please don't add the salt into the flour. If not, you'll be having a very salty dough. So you mix the butter in and ensure that there's no chunk of butter inside this mixture. So when it's well mixed, you create a well and then add your milk and egg mixture into it. And then you fold in gently. You try as much as possible to mix your dough gently because you don't want it to be too tough, and that will give you a very hard egg rolls. Also, while you are mixing it, you may be thinking that it won't come together, it's sticky. No, just keep doing what you're doing. You will later see that everything will form properly into a dough. Just keep doing it. But please avoid over mixing, except if you want your egg rolls to be very, quite hard. But if you don't want it to be hard, just mix gently. Now our dough is formed, but I'll just try and cover it up and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. So let it rest for at least 10 minutes, so that will help your dough to be able to come together. So mix it up together and then I'll transfer into a work surface. And on this work surface, I'll just spread it carefully. I don't want to over mix like I've said. And then I'll divide it into the number of egg rolls that I want. So I'm dividing this into 6 portions. And remember, you can multiply this recipe to the number of egg rolls you want to make. You can also divide it. If you want to do 2 egg rolls, 3 egg rolls, you can divide it. So I'll dust my palms with some flour so it will be easy for me to spread the doughs in between my palm, just as I am doing now. Spread it on my palm, and then I'll place my egg in between the dough and then fold in the dough around the egg. Fold it gently. I'll fold it gently and then seal up the edge. Seal it properly, seal it, and then roll it in between my palm. Remember, I try to dust my palm with flour so it doesn't stick. And then now that's my egg roll. Yeah, that's my egg roll. Mix it. Trying to repeat the same process again. I'll try to spread it in between my palm. It's easier that way. Yeah, spread it, and then I'll place the boiled egg, and then I'll roll the dough over it. I'll roll it carefully, stretch it, roll it, and then seal off the edge. Yeah, seal off the edge. And then I can cut off any excess dough. Yeah, cut off and seal it up properly, and then roll it into a smooth dough. Roll it, and also ensure that the end is properly sealed up so it doesn't open up in the oil. And that's it. Those are my 6 egg rolls, and it's time to fry it. I have my cooking oil already heated up, and then I'll transfer my dough, and at this stage I try to fry at a medium heat. If it's too hot, the egg roll will not be properly cooked, but fry under medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. With this, you'll be sure, and then you keep turning it until everything is golden brown. Now my egg rolls are ready, so I'm transferring them into paper towel so that will help to absorb any excess oil. And this is my egg rolls. Look at it. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to click that like button, and please, if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. I will be waiting for you right there to answer all your questions. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I really want your subscription, and please remember to activate the notification bells for all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for all you're doing. I do love you. Bye.